When it comes to precision in bone health assessment, the Ge Lunar iDXA sets the gold standard. This advanced bone densitometer delivers highly accurate measurements of bone mineral density, helping clinicians detect osteoporosis early and monitor changes over time with confidence. What makes the iDXA stand out is its exceptional image clarity and fast scan times, providing detailed insights into bone structure, body composition, and fat distribution, all in a single exam. Its low-dose radiation technology ensures patient safety while maintaining top-tier diagnostic quality. The iDXA also features smart automation and user-friendly software, making workflows more efficient and results easier to interpret. From fracture risk assessment to full body composition analysis, it's a powerful tool for both clinical and research settings. With the Ge Lunar iDXA, you're not just measuring bone density, you're gaining a complete picture of patient health. At Incav Medical, we have this densitometer for sale. Also, we offer service, maintenance parts, and training.